Hi, I'm Michelle. Welcome to Pilates for Dummies. If your goal is to have a lean, strong, and flexible body, this is the workout for you. This method of exercise was developed in the 1920s by a man named Joseph Pilates. Initially favored by dancers, the system has become popular worldwide because of its efficiency and effectiveness. In other words, Pilates really works. I've designed a Pilates mat class that includes 18 of my favorite classic exercises. For the best results, the exercises should be performed in the following sequence, but be sure to listen to your body and feel free to build up your routine slowly. I actually recommend you watch the workout once through before you even begin. All right, let's sit up and move on to our next exercise called the saw. You'll take the same position you did as for spine stretch, with your legs out slightly wider than your shoulders. Now, if you used a towel earlier, you're going to need it again, so go ahead and put it in place now. Extend your arms out from your sides, pressing your shoulders down away from your ears. Keep your arms slightly in front of the body so that you can keep your spine long. You'll inhale as you twist one direction, exhale as you reach your finger past your baby toe, as if you were sawing it off, as if you were sawing it off, as if you were sawing it off.